I think it's pretty safe to say that I have a very bad addiction to Daron diecast airplanes. And that is exactly why I bought 3 more. Let's unbox them. So this is the United 737. It is not actually made by Daron, this is one of those Temu planes, but it looks pretty cool. Let's add it to the airport. Looks really nice beside all the other planes. Next, I have the Sun Country 737. I am actually already in love with this plane. It looks really cool and I absolutely love it. Let's put it in the airport. And finally, I have the Israel Airlines 787. So this plane actually does look quite good. It's also one of the first planes that I've seen that have a sticker at the bottom of the plane to actually have it that nice feel. Let's add it to the airport. Right beside the Thai A350. Thank you for watching. I hope I wasted your time a little bit. Subscribe to PlaneX and go to planex.com.co for some merch.